Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is wash day and I wanted to show you guys how I go about the process. So I will be using the TGIN products and I will be using the Miracle Repair collection. So I'll show you guys how I go about using the entire collection or the entire products in the collection. So right now my hair is slightly dumped with water and I went on ahead and applied the Miracle Repair Straightening Shampoo into my hair. I worked the product into my entire hair to see if it will strip off all the moisture out of my hair. So I worked it into my entire hair. I literally used a lot of the shampoo to see if it will strip off any kind of moisture or all the good stuff out of my hair. And I was very impressed in the outcome after I washed the product out of my hair. I literally felt like my hair was super moisturized even though I just washed it, and I loved how it felt. And the next product I will be using is the Miracle Repair CPR treatment, and this is the conditioner. It's actually deep conditioner. So I applied that to my hair. I literally sectioned my hair in smaller parts, and just a side note, this product smells amazing. Even after I finished shampooing and conditioning and everything, I could smell myself. I smelled amazing. But that was just a side note. So I made sure that I worked the products into every single strand of my hair. I literally finger detangled strand by strand to make sure the product was filled and saturated in my hair. And then I covered my hair with a plastic cup. Use my hand dryer or my blow dryer to blow a little bit heat into my hair to open up my cuticles so that my hair can soak up all the moistures. And I use the blow dryer because I don't have a hooded dryer, but that is something I need to invest in the future. So yeah, and then right after I covered my hair with a towel to even keep more heat in my hair to open up my cuticles for a much longer period of time so that my hair can soak up all the moistures in the process of my hair being saturated with the the deep conditioner. So honestly guys, after I took this cup off my head, I was very impressed with the results. My hair felt very moisturized. It felt very soft. It felt like the product did the job that it's supposed to do. So I kind of wanted to even revamp my hair or take it to the next step, so I decided to use the deep hydrating hair mask. And this is also from the Miracle Repair collection, and it smells amazing. It smells very similar to the conditioner. Or so I just decided to apply it to the front part of my hair first, like literally to my edges, because that part of my hair is always dry for some strange reason. So I kind of wanted it to stay on my edges for much longer, so I decided to apply that to my edges first, and then I went on ahead and worked the product into my hair from like strand to strand. I did not comb my hair with a white tip comb or any type of comb. I used my fingers to detangle my entire hair throughout this process, and I felt like I should have used a white tooth comb to to detangle my hair, to take out all like the dead hairs and all the stripped out hairs or whatsoever, but I did not, and that's something that I would do in the future. So I'm gonna consider using like at least a white tooth comb to detangle my hair in the future. But yeah, I saturated my hair with this mask, and I covered my hair with two caps. This time around I used two caps because I wanted my hair to feel even more moisturized, and I wanted all the products to get soaked into my hair. So I went on ahead and used a second cup to cover my head, and then I used my blow dryer on my hair for at least 15 minutes. This time around I wanted to take it to the next step, so I used a blow dryer on my hair for a much longer time. And after that I walked around the house for another 30 minutes or so, I would say. And when I came back and I took out this cap and felt my hair, oh my gosh, it felt super duper moisturized. I was very impressed with that. So after washing all the products off from my hair, I felt like my hair was very very healthy and looking moisturized. So I lost a few strands of hair and I wasn't happy about that. I'm trying to see how I can prevent breakage, but that's something I would have to work on. This is how my hair is looking. It looks very moisturized. And now I went on and styled the hair. I used their protective leave-in conditioner and I took like a generous amount and I applied that to the back section of my hair. I did the same thing that I'm doing to the back section, to the front section, and then I went ahead and used the anti-breakage serum as well at the back section of my hair, and that is exact same thing I would do to the top. I will not show that in the video. And I went ahead and used their Curl Food Daily Moisturizer, and this is like a cream that you use every day if you want to like moisturize your hair every day. And I also applied a generous amount into my hair. I worked these products into my hair, made sure it was saturated, and I did the same thing to the top part. So then I flat twisted my hair and then it didn't dry, but that is okay. I should have blow dry my hair or something. I should have waited a little longer, but I was getting ready to go out, so I just went on ahead and took down the hair, or took down the flat twist using the anti-breakage serum again. I applied that all over my hair. I worked it into my roots, my scalp, and made sure that my hair was like literally saturated, not really saturated, just a decent amount. I applied that just for shine and to make the takedown a little easier. So yeah, this is the takedown process. I literally loved the results. I felt like my hair looked very moisturized. Usually my hair does not listen to gravity. My hair does not, it's like very dry, very bristle, very unhealthy looking. There's no shine in my hair at all. But with this product, I felt like I saw some kind of shine. I saw my hair was looking like it was kind of responding to gravity. So I felt good about that. And I'm literally just going to take down the hair and I will show you guys what I do next. I styled it because I was going out, as I said earlier, and I did like a little style here and there. But this is after I took down all the flat twists, and then I went ahead and pegged out my roots to make sure there are no like harsh lines in my roots, or the parting is not visible. So I kind of like combed it out a little bit, and this is how it's looking. So I went ahead and styled it. I would just come back after I style it. So this is the style I decided to go with, and bam, boom, bam, shakalao. I don't know what I just said, but I felt gorgeous. I felt amazing. I felt like my hair looks very healthy. It's looking shiny. The shine is there. To be completely honest with you guys, I'm not the type to leave my natural hair out for like a long period of time. I always do some kind of protective style, but honestly, this product made my hair feel so good that I've had my hair out for a week and I'm still rocking, you know, my teeny tiny curls, and here and there I'm like literally enjoying how my hair looks. And the Miracle Repair from the TGIN product has amazing, like really great ingredients. It has black honey, coconut oil, castor oil, biotin, and you know, these things are all like really essential for healthy hair and also hair growth. So these are some few things that I really loved about like the products. And also I decided to go ahead and try a different hairstyle. I decided to try puff to see how my hair is going to respond to that, and it's looking lovely. Let me know what you guys think. This is like the end result of my puff. Give me your honest opinion in the comment section on what you think about how my hair looked in the beginning and how it's looking now. Also, don't forget to like, share with your friends, share with your family, share with everybody. Don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to my channel on your way out to join the family. All right, until next time. Bye-bye.